Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to SSB Crack Exams. I am Sakshi and I'm here with Daily Current Affairs, and we are going to discuss Daily Current Affairs as on 5th October 2020. Before beginning, I would like to introduce you with SSB Crack Exams. If you are preparing for defense examination like NDA, CDS, AFCAT, Territorial Army, SSB Crack is best for you. It is one-stop solution for all the major defense-related exams. You can visit our website for more details regarding the courses, mock tests, quizzes, and study materials. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social media platforms for more instant updates and notification. And you can also download a mobile app SSB Crack Exams from Google Play Store. So let's start with the question of the day from the yesterday's session. So the question was, what is Ayush Grid? Okay, what is Ayush Grid? So basically it is a scheme. It is a project which was initiated by Ministry of Ayush, obviously, and this was to digitize the entire Ayush, leading to transformation in the field of healthcare and healthcare delivery at all the levels. What is the aim? The aim of Ayush Grid is to bring on board all the Ayush, Ayurveda, Yoga, Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha, Homeopathy, all the facilities including the hospitals and laboratories to promote traditional system of healthcare. Okay, so this is Ayush Grid. Now let's move ahead with the first major important update that we have today. The first current affairs, time use survey. Recently NSO, National Statistical Office, which comes under Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, okay, they released and they conducted time use survey of India, okay, and this was India's first pan India time use survey. Okay, it was India's first time use survey. The objective of survey was to measure the participation of women and men in the paid and unpaid activities. Okay, so it also included paid work, childcare, volunteering, and socializing. These all works, they were included in the time use survey. Now let's jump into the key finding of the report. So first of all, the participation rate of men in paid employment is higher, which is very obvious, compared to the women whose participation rate is lesser. Men's participation is 57.3% and women's participation in the paid employment is 18.4%. Second was, India's men also spend more time at the paid work as compared to the women's. Next, around 81.2% of women participate in the unpaid domestic services, spending an average of 4 hours 59 minutes each day, and as compared to the men, when we talk about men, the participation rate of the men in the domestic service is very low, which is 26.1%, spending on an average 1 hour 37 minutes each day. Okay, apart from it, around 91.4% of the men participated in the social activities, which is very contrary to the social beliefs that women, they participate more in the social activities. But no, the data said 91.4% of the men participated in the social activities, spending 2 hours 27 minutes each day. And when we talk about the woman, the rate of participation in the social activities, woman is just little less though, 91.3%, and they spend 2 hours 19 minutes each day. And this was also found that Indians, they do not like to participate in the unpaid volunteer work. Okay, so this was time use survey, which was first pan India time use survey. Now let's move ahead, and next important update we have is about the India's first 5 animal bridges. So Delhi Mumbai Expressway, do remember this, Delhi Mumbai Expressway, they are about to have the first ever animal overpass. Okay, India's first ever animal overpass, and these bridges will be conducted on the lines of animal bridges in Netherlands for the safe passage of the wildlife, so that the construction of the road they do not affect the wildlife or the natural habitats. These have been planned to ensure that there are no disturbance in main Ranthambore wildlife corridor, which is in Rajasthan, right? And this Ranthambore wildlife corridor, it connects Mukundra and Ranthambore wildlife sanctuaries. Okay, so this is basically for this purpose. Let's quickly revise about the National Park of Ranthambore National Park. So location is in Rajasthan state. It was declared one of the Project Tiger Reserve in 1973. This is why it is also important. It is a Project Tiger Reserve. The park is bound by Chambal River in the south and Banas River in the north. Okay, this is Ranthambore National Park. Let's move ahead with the next important news that we have today. It is about central government is about to waive the compound interest CI on loans. Okay, so this is going to be done to give relief to the individual borrowers and medium and small industries. Alright, so the center has agreed in the Supreme Court to waive the compound interest, which is interest on interest charged on loans. Okay, and the waiver will be up to 2 crore rupees for 6-month moratorium period. This you need to remember that the waiver is for 2 crore rupees and for 6-month moratorium period, and this is announced due to the COVID-19 pandemic. So first of all, government will seek due authorization from Parliament for making appropriate grant in this regard, and the endeavour shall be over and above support of 3.7 lakh crore rupees to micro and medium enterprises, 70,000 crore rupees for home loans, which are already extended through these two programs, Garib Kalyan program and Atmanirbhar packages, which were already announced by the government. Okay. And the 6-month moratorium period, it shall be limited to the most vulnerable category of borrowers, and the loans were categorized into the 8 categories by the government, and these categories were included like micro, small, medium enterprises, education, housing, customer durables, credit card dues, autos, personal and consumptions. Okay, so these are the categories under which these loans will be waived. Now it is time for important days. So 4th October, it is celebrated as World's Animal Day. So World's Animal Day, it is celebrated on 4th October every year, and this is to raise awareness about improving the welfare standards of the animal around the world. So World Animal Day celebrates the relationship between the humankind and animal kingdom, and we cannot ignore that animals, they played important role in our life. Moving ahead, next on 5th October today, it is celebrated as World Habitat Day. Actually, World Habitat Day, it is observed on first Monday of October month throughout the year. So it is on 5th October this year. So in the year 1985, United Nations General Assembly declared that the first Monday in October would be the World Habitat Day, and it is observed to recognize the basic rights of all the humanity to adequate shelter and to encourage grassroots actions towards ending poverty housing. Moving ahead, today there is one more important day on 5th October. It is celebrated as World's Teacher Day. Okay, World's Teachers Day. It is celebrated on 5th October every year. It aims to raise the awareness about the roles of teachers in playing quality education in all the levels and to improve the situation of teachers in the world. So this is World's Teacher Day on 5th October. Okay. Now I'll be telling the current COVID-19 situation in India as per 4th October 2020. So the active cases are 9,37,625. The cured cases are 55,99,966. Deaths have reached to 1,01,782. Now it is time to revise the entire session with the quiz. Try to answer these questions. So the first question is, time use survey is conducted by National Statistical Office, Niti Aayog, Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of Social Justice. So the correct answer is National Statistical Office, NSO. Next question is, what is the location of Ranthambore National Park? Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Bihar. So the correct answer is, it is located in Rajasthan. Next question is, World's Teachers Day is observed on 4th October, 5th October, 6th October, 7th October. So the correct answer is, it is observed on 5th October every year. Now it is time for question of the day. Try to answer this question in the comment section. So the question for you is, what is Project Elephant? What is Project Elephant? Try to answer this in the comment section. We will discuss complete detailed answer in the next session. Till then, stay motivated, work hard. Jai Hind.